Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Philip Hargrove, and I'm outside KSC, taking you inside KSC. The mobile launcher that will carry the Space Launch System and Orion spacecraft for NASA's Artemis 1 mission rolled back atop Crawler Transporter 2 from Launch Pad 39B to the Vehicle Assembly Building. The mobile launcher spent 10 days at the pad while the Exploration Ground Systems team completed a countdown demonstration test. They also conducted a thorough top-to-bottom washdown of the mobile launcher to remove any debris remaining from construction and installation of the umbilical arms. Artemis 1 will test the Orion spacecraft and SLS rocket as an integrated system ahead of crewed flights to the moon. Under the Artemis program, NASA will land the first woman and the next man on the moon in 2024. In recognition of the 30th anniversary of the enactment of the Americans with Disabilities Act, students and job seekers with disabilities were invited to participate in Kennedy's virtual Disability Mentoring Day. Sponsored by the Center's Disability Awareness and Action Working Group, the goal is to encourage people with disabilities to take part in NASA's human exploration from Moon to Mars. This year's event featured live and pre-recorded highlights of the Center's workers showing what they do to support NASA's missions. Areas of interest included information technology, launch operations, environmental, weather, public affairs, and emergency management. For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and at nasa.gov/Kennedy.